We are looking up how to buy shares of Arcadis NV to walk through the practical steps. Arcadis is a global design and engineering firm listed on Euronext under the ticker ARCAD.NV. This is an educational overview and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and we will use eToro as an example to illustrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, typically with an identity document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker ARCAD.NV to find the listing. Confirm you select the Euronext listing for the correct Arcadis NV share. On the stock page, you will see basic company details and a price chart to review recent activity. Make sure the company description and the ARCAD.NV ticker match before proceeding. To invest, click the Trade or Buy button, choose the amount you want to invest, and review the order details carefully before confirming. If the market is closed, the order will be queued and executed when the market reopens. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before it can confirm the purchase. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio, where you can monitor it over time. For convenience, the link to eToro is in the description below if you want to follow the same example.